Hey guys, this is Cosmin or Gloria, whatever you call me, I don't even really care, but I would like to tell you what can actually permanently help you how to stop hiccups. So, for one thing, a teacher of mine showed me about this, and usually it's like water on glass, and you put a roller on it and you drink. But sometimes for me, I usually just drink anything and I just, just press it in the middle of the two eyebrows. It has always helped me and multiple times. No matter what. And so, here you have it. There's the answer to the hands. This video is going to be really short. Yeah. A math teacher of mine told me about it, and well, it's really helpful. He's pretty funny as well. I mean, the part when he asks questions and the students don't answer and he's all like, Beeler? Beeler? Yeah, you know what I mean. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I'm sorry, this is pretty short and it's probably not, well, I guess helpful? Well, just let me know in the comments if it actually helped you or had your experience in it. I don't mind. Subscribe or not, whatever. Because this is my channel and I post anything I guess that I want to.